I know TJ did not ignore my phone call. Shame on him. Let's see, who is here today? Nicholas is here. Alex Dvorak is here. Nicholas, let's get started on our morning work, buddy. Nolan is here. Not have him on here. All right. What up, TJ? About time you showed up.
Wow. Right when I was gonna say hello, but never mind. I take that hello back.
All right, so TJ's finally here. I can put him in the class. Let's see. Aaron's here.
Miss Brown,
Yes.
whenever we get a chance in class, I had to finish the math page work, and I need help with that.
Okay. You have everybody in your class? Except Noah. All right, so we're working on morning work, guys. And then we'll go over it in just a second. Nicholas, it doesn't look like you're doing your morning work. Open up your morning work. Go to assignments and then morning work 9-1. Rocky is not here either.
Miss Brown.
Yes.
I need help with the first one, the fourth one, and the sixth one.
All right, give me just a second and we'll work on it.
Okay.
Let's give everybody a chance to start on it. Like Nicholas, he needs the chance to start on his. Because it looks like he's just sitting there. Are you working on yours, Nicholas? All right, I'm going to share my screen and we'll go over it. All right. All right, so we'll start with the first one. It says Lucia sold 39 glasses of lemonade and 18 glasses of iced tea. How many fewer glasses of iced tea did Lucia sell? Am I going to add or subtract?
Subtract.
Yeah, because it says fewer. So 39.
Is this subtract?
Yeah, subtract. Minus 18.
21.
Is that what you got, Nicholas?
Miss Hong, can I try again?
21. All right, so this one is 66 closer to the number 60 or 70?
60.
Look at the number line. Is it closer to 60 or is it closer to 70?
70.
Yeah. So we want to look at the number 65. If my ones place is 5 or over, it's going to be bigger number. If it's 4 or below, it's going to go to the smaller number. Okay, so you always want to look at your ones place. Okay, if my ones place is 5 or over, it's going to go to the bigger number. 4 or below, it's going to go to my lower number. Okay.
So it's 70.
Yep, my answer is 70. All right, so now we're going to do the same thing here. Remember I said if my ones place is 5 or 4 or below, it goes up. So sorry, we're going to do what is my, which numbers is it between? So what numbers is 47 in between?
40 and 50.
Good. All right, TJ, what is 31 in between? What tens is it between?
I don't know why I put 30, 30. 30, 30 and 40, I think.
40, good.
Yeah.
All right, and Nicholas, what is 88 in between? What comes before 80, 88? Do you need help?
Yes, it's.
Do you need help?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay. Alex, can you help him?
Yeah. 80.
Okay.
And what comes after?
90.
Good job. All right. Nolan, can you help us with this one?
Yep.
I know you're not on this, you're doing a different page, but can you help us?
Yep.
Thank you. Isabella had 38 dolls and 23 stuffed bears. How many toys does she have altogether?
53 toys.
Good. So 38 plus 23 is
61.
good. So 8 plus 3 is
11.
11. And then 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6. Good job.
Thank you.
All right. We're going to subtract to find the missing number. So 243 minus 42. So 243 minus 42.
It equals 201.
So we'll have a 1 over here. What is 4 or 4 minus 4 is 0. And 2 minus 0 is 2. Good job.
Oh no. Hold on.
Do you get that, TJ?
No.
3 minus 2 is... Let me move that over. Oops. There. 3 minus 2 is... 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. And then 2 minus nothing is 2.
Okay.
So then your answer right here will be 201. And then to check that, you would add 401 plus 42, and that should give you this number. So if you add these two together, that should give you this big number.
Okay.
All right. All right. So Sarah put the cookies in the oven at 8:10. She baked them for 30 minutes. What time did she take the cookies out? So if it's 8:10, and she baked them for 30 minutes, what time did she take them out? It's going to be 8 what?
8:40.
8:40.
Booba, stop. Oh, my bad.
You're fine. All right, so I'm gonna leave this up for just a few minutes so that you guys can get this turned in. Let me know if you have any questions. Nolan, how are you doing on yours?
Perfect.
Good.
I'm doing good.
Good job, Nicholas. Make sure you get it turned in, okay? You guys are getting really good at these. I'm so proud. Are y'all good, TJ, or you need a little more time?
I'm good.
All right.
Oh, my bad.
All righty. So we were working on the assignments tab where we went into the actually it was, let me go back in here and go to the notebook. We were working on the banking system yesterday. Alex, I'm going to try to stop a little early so we can go over that worksheet for you, okay? Oh, wrong class. Here we go. All right. All right, so we did the deposit slips, and we did the deposit slips yesterday, correct? Where we started working with the cash and the checks.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then today we were going to start with the deposit slips with the withdrawals too, with the receipts.
Yes.
Okay, that's where we're starting today. Okay, so we're going to complete the transaction register with cash, checks, as well as receipts today. So you're going to have not only deposits, but you're also going to have withdrawals. Okay, so you're going to have two things that you have to worry about with these. Okay, so you're going to be completing a transaction register, which is the little book inside your checkbook that you have to keep tabs on of everything that you use your checkbook for. Okay, and this has to equal and balance out at the end of the month when you get your bank statement. Okay, it's very important that you keep track of everything in your checking account. So you want to have every single cent checked off, and it has to be complete. Okay, so when you go through, you're going to have your deposits on this side and your withdrawals on this side. Okay, so as you see, we have a deposit of $15 and we have a deposit of cash for $8. You got to notice, and I'm going to make this a little bit bigger, maybe. Okay, there we go. I made it a little bit bigger for us because I want you to notice a couple of things on the check. On the check, you have a check number here. This check number is going to be the identifier of the check. Okay, that's how you're going to know what the check is. That's how you're going to notice what the check number. That's going to be like the name of the check. You need the date of the check and the amount of the check. Okay. The only thing you need from the cash is the amount and the date. Okay. So when you put those in your check register, you want everything to go based off of the date that they happen. So they need to go in chronological order. Okay, so the first thing is always going to be whatever happened the first, and then so forth. Because when you get your bank statement at the end of the month, that's how everything's going to come to you, is what happened each day. Okay. Okay, so this one is on the 1st. This one is on the 8th. And then this one, let me move it over. This one was on the 11th. So which one's going to be first in our check register?
The check.
The check, yeah, the check, the deposit of the check. Which one's going to come second?
The receipt.
The 8th or the 11th?
The 8th.
The 8th. So the deposit of the cash is going to come next. What's going to come last?
The receipt.
The receipt, yeah, for the video game. All right. So the first thing that we're going to put on here is you're going to notice that you have a balance of $5. So you already have $5 in your account. So then you get a deposit of $15. So the check was $600, or well, sorry, the check number was 600. The date was 8/1, and the description that they put on the check was for books. So that's something good that you can put in that transaction description so that you know what that deposit was for.
Mm-hmm.
And then you put your deposit for $15, and then you add 5 plus 15 equals $20. Okay, you always want to put your balance after that transaction so that you know exactly how much you have. Okay, after each transaction. Okay, so then the next thing we said was the cash. So on 8/8, you have a deposit for $8. All right, so they put bank. Sometimes you can just put deposit. Some people put just deposit, or some people put cash. It's up to you. So they put bank. The date is 8/8. And here you could put deposit, up to you. And then they put $8, and then you add 8 plus 20. And your new balance is $28. So then the next thing you're going to do, and they didn't give us a balance on this. The balance is, how much is your total of your video game?
$19.
Well, you have to add your taxes. So what's the balance after taxes?
$20.
$19.95. So on 8/11, you purchased a video game for $19.95. So now you have to find out what your total is after you subtract 28 minus $19.95. What is your balance now? How much do you have left? And if you need to use a calculator, that's totally fine.
Okay, what am I adding up?
You're subtracting 28 minus, because you're withdrawing, 28 minus $19.95. TJ, you can use your calculator on your phone if you want to. 28 minus $19.95.
8.05.
Yeah, $8.05. Perfect. So you have a balance in your account after these transactions of $8.05. Do you still have more in your account after those 3 transactions than your starting balance?
No.
You started with $5 and now you have $8.05. Do you have more than your starting balance?
Yes.
Yeah, you do. All right, great job. Okay, let's do another one. All right. This last week, you've deposited a check, a cash, and you purchased a new book. All right, so you have a check for $12. The check number is 563. It doesn't tell us what it was for. And then you have a cash deposit of $6 on 8/20. You bought a book for $7.35 on 8/21. All right. So they left out several things on this one. So let's see what we need. On 8/19, there was a check for check 563 for a deposit of $12. Do we need to do anything else here?
Yes.
What do we need to put?
And to put the amount he spent.
Well, he deposited $12.
So he $12. So you add
Okay, so 20 plus 12 is
20 plus 12 is 31.
32.
2.
All right, and then on the 20th, they had a cash deposit of $6. So 32 plus 6 is
38.
good. All right, so now we have a receipt for a book for $7.35.
Yep.
What is our total for that one? $38 minus $7.35. So 38 minus $7.35.
It equals 3065.
So $30.65. Does he have more or less than he started with?
More.
More. Good job. All right. Let's keep going. All right, so now we have 2 checks that we're depositing and cash, as well as a purchase of a candy bar. So we have 2 checks, a check for $22 for a field trip, a check for $15 for school stuff, and then cash for $7. So a check on 8/26, a check on 8/22, and then we bought a candy bar on 8/28 for $5.25. All right. So what do we need to do? We started off with $0 in our account. We had a deposit of check number 461 on 8/22 for a field trip of $22. Because we started with $0 in our account, we add 22 to that, we have a balance of $22, right?
Yes.
All right, so then we have a cash deposit on 8/23 for $7. 22 plus 7 is
29.
good. Then we have another deposit for school stuff on 8/26 for $15. 29 plus 15 is what?
44.
All right, and then 44. Then we have a receipt for our candy bar. Our candy bar costs $5.25. How much do we have left over?
So $5.25 minus $44.
Yep. So 44 minus 525.
Wait, so 5.
So $44 minus 525. $5.25.
Can you say the thing again?
$44 minus $5.25.
It equals $38.75.
Is that what you got, TJ?
Yeah.
Good. So $38.75. Perfect. All right. They're going to get a little harder now because they're going to ask us for more information. So now we're going to get into some of. Okay, so over the course of the month, you've used your bank account several times. So you have a deposit of $10, a deposit of $19, you withdrew $5, and you withdrew $20. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So you, all right, so now we have to figure out what our account is going to end in. So we have a balance of $50. If we deposit $10 to that, what do we have?
60.
All right. And then we withdrew $5. So
55.
55. And then we had a deposit of $19.
74.
So now we need to subtract because we withdrew 20 from that. What do we have? 74 minus 20.
54.
54.
4. Good job. Awesome. All right. So my next one is going to be, we have to fill out the whole thing now. Okay. So we have to figure this out. So we have several things that we have to enter. So we have a deposit of $6 on 10/3.
Mm-hmm.
We have a deposit of $40 on 10/20. We have a withdrawal of $30 for a birthday on 10/7. And we have a withdrawal of $11 on 10/30 from the ATM. Okay, so now we have to figure out our balances. So our
Yes.
first transaction is, we got 5 minutes, so we got to figure this one out quick. Okay, so the first one is 30 plus, our deposit, it means plus, so 30 plus 6 is what?
30 plus 6.
30, 36.
Good. And then we're withdrawing $30 from that.
So $6.
Yep, so then we have $6 left. And then we're babysitting, so we get a deposit of $40. So how much do we have if we're adding $40?
46.
Good job. And then we are withdrawing $11 from that. So how much do we have after that?
$35.
$35 for our total. Our end balance is $35. Good job, guys.
Thank you.
All right, so tomorrow we'll start with this one, Banjo's Bakery, okay? Alex Dvorak,
Yes.
do you want to meet me at 3 o'clock today and I will help you finish that worksheet
I'll be at Lexington.
at Lexington?
Yeah.
What do you have 7th hour?
7th hour?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Do you have PE or?
Yeah. 7th hour. I never checked. Let me check real quick. Wait, I'm on. Give me a second. I'm checking.